Namaste and welcome to today's English class of grade 1. Today we are in lesson 20. We are in lesson 20. Last time we learned about letter C. Do you remember? Yes, you might have remember. You remember, right? Okay, good. You remember that last time we went through letter C, and today as well we are revising letter C. Okay? Letter C and the words that is formed with letter C. आज हामी letter C पढ्छौँ र letter C बाट बन्ने wordहरू. Okay, so let me revise once again from the beginning letters, alphabets. So we are in the theme alphabets and we have completed alphabet A, alphabet B, and we are on the way to do letter C. Okay? Alright, now look at here. Read. Okay, we are going to read this. Can you read this? What is this? So I have brought one picture as well here, added picture. What is here? The three kids are here and they are holding A, B, C, right? A, B, C. And these are in capital letters, right? Capital A, capital B and capital C, right? A, B, C. And we have to here read some letters. Can you recognize this? Yes, these all are in small letter form, small letters. What did I use the word for small last time? What is the word? Small letters? Uppercase for capital, and yes, lowercase letters, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, capital and small, right? Okay, now let's read these letters. Can you read these letters? Alphabets, can you? I'm sure you can do it, right? Okay, what is this first one? Tell me this, what is this first one? B. Yes, it is B. B is, the pronunciation is ba. The sound is ba. How do we pronounce it? Joining two lips. Ba. Ba sound. Yes. Join the lips. Tell me once again. Ba. B. Right. Okay. Now let's move to another alphabet, another letter. What is this? Half circle. What is this? Yes, this is letter C. Letter C. Okay. And how does it sound? What is the sound of letter C? K, right? K sound. K. Cat. Yes, K. And then after, what is this? Third one. Apple. So this is, yes, A, right? Letter A. A. Okay. Now again, what is this? We have already completed, right? This is repetition again. So, which this resembles with the same one. The first in the beginning is also B. And again here is B. B. And there is again C, right? C. So, is it the, is it in the correct order? What is the right order of these alphabets? What is the right order? What comes first, second and third? के आउँछ serial order के हो भन्नुस् त? What is the serial order? Yes, the serial order of this letter is A, B and C. ABC letters. So interesting to learn these alphabets, right? A, B, C. Among these ABC, we have already learned A, B, and we are learning C. We are learning C. Yes, so there's a circle now. The one which we are practicing, there is a circle, right? C letter, okay. Now let's move to another slide. Let's see what is there. Oh, yes, this is time to enjoy a song. Do you like songs? I like it very much. Okay, let's enjoy a song of alphabets. Okay? What is this? Let's sing. Okay? Let's sing this one. Can you recognize this letter? Uppercase A. Or we can say capital A, right? So this song is about A sound. Or A letter, I mean. A letter, okay? Apple. What is this? Another picture? Ant. And third one? Arrow. Arrow, right? Okay, can you sing this? Come on, sing with me and enjoy with me. Are you all excited? Good, let's sing this one. Here it goes. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for arrow. Arrow. Okay, can you repeat with me once again? Let's repeat it. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. And A is for arrow. Arrow. Yay! Let's clap for us. This is the song of A. Now, what letter comes after A? Which letter comes? Obviously, letter B. See, here a girl is holding a big letter, capital letter B. B letter, right? Okay, this is also called uppercase B. And this one, lowercase b. So, once again, loud, let's sing song of letter B. Okay, so first of all, let's recognize the objects. Objectsहरू चिन्नुहुन्छ नि, last time we discussed, right? यो चिन्नुहुन्छ है सबै. This one, ball, right? Ball. Next one, bag. And then third one, book. Yes, you recognize these objects. Now it's time for singing again. All of you sing with me. Are you ready? Get. Let's sing. Here it goes. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bag. Bag. B is for bag. Bag. B is for book. Book. B is for book. Book. Yay! Here we have all finished song of B, letter B, right? Now it's time for a song of letter C. Okay, here it goes. Letter C. You can see here a boy holding letter C. Okay, in most of the slides, सबै स्लाइड्समा प्रायः जसो यो small boy is there and he's holding C, because mostly we are talking about C. We are learning C today. Okay, A, B already learned. Today we are practicing letter C, right? Just like in the previous episode, we have finished already one episode learning C. And today also we are practicing a lot to be perfect. Okay, so how? You can write letter C perfectly, or you will know the words. You will remember the words that starts with C. Alright? Okay, now let's sing and enjoy this song. I am sure that you are very excited to sing this. Right? Okay, let's sing this one. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cap. Cap. C is for cup. Cup. Yay! Once again, let's sing once again, okay? Because this is letter C, and let's focus this one once again. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cap. Cap. C is for cup. Cup. C is for cup. Cup. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! We have finished the song. You can enjoy this song with your family. Stay together and sing and practice the song. Okay? Alright. Now let's move what is there next. Okay? So, yes. Here it goes. Let us see. Once again, I want to show you here. Here in my hand also there's a paper with letter C. Let me paste it over here. This letter C. Okay. Can you see properly these letters? Yes. Okay. So how is it? This is in a semicircle form. Yes. This car, do you remember this car? Yes, semicircle form. This one is capital or uppercase C. Another is lowercase c. Small c. Yeah, the car goes round the sea. Again, the car goes round the sea. Yes. So, interesting? You can also try at home making C with your car. Okay, so now what is there? See. Okay, the first picture over here is, what is this picture? Yellow in color. के हो यो? यस्तो एउटा कान भएको कान हो यो? Is it here? कान हो? हैन है? What is this then? This is a holder, right? This here is a, yes, here it is. Cup. C-U-P, cup. Cup. C is in red color to highlight over here. Okay, highlight गर्नको लागि. To know that cup starts with C. Cup. See, I have in slip as well here. Cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, let me paste it over here. Can I? Okay, let me paste it over here. Cup. Fine? Okay, is it fine? Good. Now let's go through what might be there. Another word. Okay, another word is, okay, first of all, here is the picture. Recognize this picture. What is this picture of? Where do we wear it? Yes, we wear it on our head, right? So this is a, this is, yes, pinkish color, right? Pink color. And this is a cap. Yes, this is a cap that we wear on our head. And we talk about this is cap. C-A-P, cap. C for cap. Cap. Alright? Okay, now here I would like to show you once again the card. See here, what is here? Cap. C-A-P, cap. Let me paste it over here once again. Okay, alright, is it fine? Very good. Now let's go to the another picture. Okay, what does it, how does sound, what sound does it make? Meow, meow. So what is it? Of course, it is a cat. See how nice cat it is, yellowish color, or let's say light brown or yellowish color. Cat with many whiskers. See how many whiskers it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 whiskers, right? Junga भएको whiskers and a tail. एउटा के रहेछ पुच्छर लामो पुच्छर पनि रहेछ है tail. and it has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And eyes, 2 eyes. 1, 2, and there is a nose and mouth. Right? So a very cute cat is here. Cat. Cat. Yes, here is cat, and here I have got picture of cat in the slip as well, and the word cat. So let's paste it also on the board. Now let's once again, now it becomes like this. C, uppercase C, lowercase c, capital C or small c, and the words with like yes, C for, okay, let's match, cup. C for cap. C for cat. Okay, so this is the words. Okay, then now let's move to our next. Now what is there? Okay, now we are going to practice letter C. Okay, so let me remove these all. Okay, now this work is over. Now we don't need this now. Okay. Alright, and these arrows also we don't need it. Go away. Now what we need is this one. Okay, practice. I think you remember how to write C because we have already practiced in previous episode. Though I would like to repeat once again, the process of writing C. C कसरी लेख्ने भन्ने कुरा repeat गरौँ है त. Last time also we learned, now also we are going to learn. So you know the process, right? So this is in a semicircle form. We have 4 lines over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And capital C touches 3 lines. Okay, first, second and third line. So first of all, hold pencil properly. And then put your pencil, tip of the pencil, tip of the pencil just below first line, and then joining the dots, go round the half circle and end just above the third line. Third line को अलिकति माथि गएर रोक्ने, यसलाई फर्स्ट लाइन को अलिकति तलबाट सुरु गरेर राउन्ड सेमी सर्कल गरेर यहाँ अलिकति माथि यहाँनिर स्टप गर्ने. Okay, so now let's move to, okay, let's practice capital once again. Capital C, go round like this. Okay, next, third one. Okay, this go round like this. And talking about letter C, small one, it remains within the middle line. बिचको दुईटा लाइन भित्र बस्छ हैन यो. So just below this second line को अलि तल यहाँ pencil, put your tip of the pencil को tip यहाँ राख्ने, अनि without removing go round like this and end up just below this third line, above, I mean third line को अलिकति माथि end गर्ने, round गरेर. Okay, practice once more like this. Okay, go round and this like this. Okay, fine. Is it fine? Alright. Okay, so I hope you can practice now. After this, you can practice yourself. Okay, so let me remove this one. All of you practice C, writing C a lot. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, what is there? Let's see. It's a story time. Do you like stories? I like it very much. I hope you also like stories, don't you? Yes, I like it so much. Now let's start a story. What is there about the story? Let's see. Okay, look at the picture. So this is about this, the story is about this picture. We can see, what we can see? A pot. Okay, what is this? Clay pot, right? Clay pot. Clay pot, we can see clay pot, and here a crow, clay pot. What else? What do you see? What do you see in the picture? Clay pot, crow, and then some pebbles. Okay, ढुङ्गाको टुक्राहरू, pebbles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pebbles are there. And some branches of tree which is already dried up branches, and then you can see the shadow, right? Shadow maybe. Okay, shadow. This is shadow of this pot. So crow, clay pot, pebbles, tree branches, and maybe, yes, I forgot to tell you, there is water inside this pot. This blue in color a little bit, you can see this is water inside the pot. And this picture tells you a story. Can you guess what story is it? Some of you might have already heard, but some of you may not have. Okay, now listen this story. Here it is. Once upon a time, there was a crow. One day, it was very thirsty, okay? Want to drink water. एकदम प्यास लागेको थियो. Thirsty. Then it flew here and there. It was thirsty, so looking for water. It was looking here, sometime there, but it could not find water. Then what happened? Let's see, okay? Then, while it was flying here and there, it was flying here and there, and finally it found a clay pot. Clay pot, see? Clay pot. Crow found clay pot with a little water in it. So there was little water inside the pot. When it tried to reach, it's sitting on the clay pot, it tried to reach the water. So clay pot ma basera pani khana khojeko, it was very low. Tala थियो है. It couldn't get the water. So it could not get the water. Then it sat and thought for a while. Then it thought of an idea. So then there was an idea. Okay. The idea was the crow flew away. Then from there the crow flew away and collected small pebbles and dropped into clay pot. So one by one, crow flew away and brought small pebbles and dropped inside. You can see the crow is dropping pebbles inside the clay pot. Why do you think he is doing so? किन यसो गरेको होला क्रोले? I am not getting the idea. के भएको होला? के गरेको होला यो क्रोले? Yes. When we drop pebbles inside the pot, थोरै पानी छ नि. हामीले त्यो क्ले पटमा थोरै पानी हुँदाखेरि त्यसमा पेबल्सहरु भर्दै गयो, ढुङ्गा सानसानो ढुङ्गाहरु भर्दै गयो भने के हुन्छ? The water level will rise. पानी के हुन्छ? माथि आउँछ. Okay? The level of water will be rise. And then के हुन्छ त त्यसपछि? Yes. Then the water level raised. माथिसम्म आयो पानी. Okay? पानी त त्यति नै थियो. The amount of water was same before, but crow used his idea and he brought pebbles, collected pebbles and dropped inside the clay pot. Crow dropped pebbles in the clay pot and then the water level raised, then the crow quenched its thirst. And त्यसपछि पानी खान पाएन क्रोले. Crow is drinking water and quenched its thirst mean हामीले एकदम तिर्खा लागेको बेला पानी खायो भने how do we feel? कस्तो feel गर्छौं हामीले? How do we feel? We are satisfied, हैन? एकदम satisfied feel हुन्छ हामीले पानी खाएको तिर्खा मेट्दाखेरि कस्तो feel हुन्छ हैन? राम्रो feel हुन्छ नि. That's the feeling of quenched thirst, okay? And okay, in this story, what have you learned now? Tell me, what have you learned? Yes, we have learned that we should use idea whenever we face a problem. हामीले कुनै problem face गर्दाखेरि, if we think properly, then we will find a way. हामीले राम्रोसँग सोच्यौं भने हामीले बाटो we will find the way. हैन? So and title, can you guess the title? Can you keep a title? यसको यो स्टोरीको टाइटल के राख्नु पर्ला? A crow, thirsty crow, है? Crow, काग. So here we are focusing crow, the word crow. Why? What's the spelling of crow? C-R-O-W, crow. C. Okay, letter C. Crow. C for crow as well. Okay, C for crow. And what is the another word is there? C for clay. Clay. Okay, clay pot. Clay pot. So C for clay pot, clay. C for crow, C for clay pot, C for crow. This is what we are focusing in this story. So please you can share the story with your family as well. Family सँग पनि share गर्नु होला, okay? Now we have completed the story and move towards next activity. Okay. Now here's an activity. Circle the objects found in the picture above. Okay, we have talked about crow, story of crow, C for crow, and there was a clay pot, clay, and before, okay, in this lesson and then previous lesson of letter C, कुन picture को discussion हामीले गरिसक्यौं त? Yes, crow, cock, C-O-C-K, cock. Cock in previous lesson, did we discuss? Yes, we discussed about cock as well in this letter C lesson. And then cow, did we discuss about cow before in today's lesson or in the previous lesson? पहिलाको lesson 19 र 20 मा हामीले cow को बारेमा कुरा गरेकै गरेनौं. Obviously, cow starts with letter C. C बाट सुरु हुन्छ cow. But we have not discussed in the lesson. भनेपछि के गर्नु पर्यो त? What activity is this then? Circle भनेको यस्तो गोल लाउने हैन? Circle the objects found in picture above. अब माथि हामीले डिस्कस गरिसकेको पिक्चरमा चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो? Circle लाउनु पर्यो. So this crow, did we discuss before? Have we discussed? Yes. So this crow should be circled. Yes. Then did we discuss about this pot? Did we discuss? Yes, we discussed about this clay pot. So it should be circled, हैन? दुईटा circle भयो. So cow and now this cock is remaining. अब cow लाई लाउने कि cock लाई लाउने त circle? Which one should be circled? कुनलाई लाउने? Yes, cock. Because we have already discussed about cock in our previous lesson of letter C. Letter C मा हामीले cock को बारेमा discuss गरिसक्यौं, हेरिसक्यौं. Okay, we have seen this picture. हाम्रो book मा पनि छ. You can look over there. किताबमा पनि हेरे पनि हुन्छ. And this one, obviously, it starts with C letter, but we have not discussed yet. And your picture हामीले पहिला हेरेको पनि छैन यो lesson मा. That's why we are not circling this. Okay, it's not हामीले सर्कल यसै गर्ने होइन कि यो C बाट स्टार्ट नहुने भएर हामीले सर्कल नगरेको होइन कि यो पिक्चर चाहिँ हामीले डिस्कस गरेका छैनौं, हेरेका छैनौं in this lesson 19 and 20. Okay, that's why we have not circled this one. Can you do that in your book? यो गर्न सकिन्छ book मा अब? Obviously you can, right? You understood this activity. Now let's see what is their next activity. Okay, now this activity is called copy. Once again, we are copying the letters. So this is quite like a revision of the previous letter as well. So we have all three letters C, B and A along with their small letters as well. So we have capital C, small c, uppercase C, lowercase c. So capital, uppercase is same, small, lowercase is same. Capital C, small c, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, okay? Uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase A, lowercase a. So we are going to practice this in 4 lines, okay? 4 lines. Now look at here. Let me paste this on the board. I have the same worksheet that you have in your book. This one is in your book as well. है किताबमा पनि छ. So we are going to practice these letters. Okay. So first of all, let us see. Let us see how did I teach you in this class before. अघि मात्रै लेखा थियो है. So we know how to write letter C. How does it goes? Pencil कहाँबाट सुरु गरेर कहाँ रोक्ने? From where does it start? Okay. Starting and ending point. You know the starting and ending point. So while writing capital C, कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने? Just below this first line, हैन? First line को अलिकति तल सुरु गर्ने हैन? Okay. So okay, this first line is this one here. यो चाहिँ box हो है? Box. So here we start letter C like this, okay? 2 lines. So point over here and then go round like this. Okay. Let us see. This is capital one. Small within the line. बिचको लाइनमा. Okay, like this. Small C. Alright. Now let's go move on for B. Letter B. Are you ready? So first of all, we revise how to write capital B. So when you write capital B, you माथि देखि नै यहाँ top मै you point over here. Then pencil यही राख्नु पर्छ अनि निकाल्दै हैन. Straight down, come down, okay? Then leave it here. Come down. So we draw a straight line. हामी straight line draw गर्छौं. Then again put your pencil, tip of the pencil over here. Pencil को चुचो यहाँ राख्ने अनि के गर्ने? Go round. So without removing pencil, हटाउने हैन. अझ अर्को एउटा round. And we form capital B over here like this. Okay. So let's move to the small b. To write small b, first of all, put your pencil over here, tip of the pencil over here, आफ्नो pencil को टुप्पोलाई यहाँ, okay? Then draw a straight line, come down, go up and round. Pencil नछोडिकन, you can do like this. Okay? So this is small b. Now let's move to A. A कसरी लेख्ने? सबभन्दा सजिलो है. So we need 2 slanting lines. Slanting भनेको छड्के हैन यसरी. So choose a point, okay? Point, then you have to draw a slanting line like this. One slanting line and then again go to the same point. यही point मा गएर अर्को slanting line to the right. Okay? And then one slipping line. Then join this point, slipping line. Then we form capital A. Likewise, small a is left, so which remains within this line, बिचको लाइनमा रहन्छ हैन. So first of all, you start a bit below this first line, अलिकति तल, not this one, this middle line, okay, not upper line, बिचमा रहन्छ हैन. अलिकति तल, go round, C जस्तो गरेर लेख्ने, round and go up and then down, यसरी लेख्ने, okay? Pencil नछोडिकन, you have to see go up and down. So in this way we write small letter A. Okay? Once again I will show you. Okay, like this. For C, capital C, we draw like this, round, and small c like this. Okay? And capital B, straight line we need. And then round and round, small b, straight line, go up and round, capital A, point, slanting line, another, join the line, a slipping line, and then after C shape, go up and down. This is A. I hope you have learned it well. And dear parents, please help your children to practice those letters, okay? So you can ask your children to practice in this way, following the way of a pattern of writing A, B and C. And is it the correct order? Your correct order हो त C, B, A हुन्छ? how do we say? Actually, it is A, B, C, right? The order is A, B, C. Okay, as a C सिकेको भएर C first मा. Okay, C, we wrote C because we have learned C today. So C is in the front. That's why C, B, A. But correct order is A, B, and C. Okay. Now finally, now I'm going to check it. Okay. Now I'm going to check it whether you have learned it or not. All right. Now tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes. This is a cup. C-U-P, cup. That starts with C. Right? Okay, do not forget, this is a cup. Now let me check next one. Are you ready? Do you know what is here? Okay, what is this? This is a, what is this? Yes, this is a cap. C-A-P, cap. Okay, and now I have got the final object. What is this? Are you scared? What is this? This is, okay, this is exactly not the cat, C-A-T, cat, but the mask of cat, right? C-A-T, cat. Cat ko mask ho, okay? Exactly cat to hoina, tara cat ko mask ho, right? C-A-T, cat. So I hope you have learned and enjoyed today's lesson. That's all for today. Thank you. Namaste.